How to get $60 Amazon coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in couponfollow.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of CouponFollow. Now, at the top right, you're going to find the search icon. Click on it. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in amazon.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Amazon. Just scroll and check $50 off, $25 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on the offer. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now you can copy the code, then click on redeem at Amazon. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Amazon. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Now type in Amazon coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working coupon code for Amazon. So go ahead and open any of these. I'm going to open this one. Well, this way you can easily get up to $60 working coupon code for Amazon. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.